Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up two packages. One comes from a state that I've never received a package from, and the other one is from right here. It's from Miss Kim from White Pine, Tennessee. Miss Kim from White Pine, Tennessee. And guys, I ain't feeling too well today, so forgive me if I'm not being as energetic or not myself, just put it that way. Uh, but we're gonna open up these two packages. That one's right there. That one is actually from Utah. We've never had a package come from there. So we're gonna open that one up and open this one up. And I also got a box I'm gonna try to get to this week from Mr. Donnie Davis from Alabama. He gave it to me at the Bear and Son sale. It's got a bunch of stuff in it, so we'll be going through all that here real soon. But also, guys, we'll be showing you the states that I have not received anything from. I had 5, now that we're down to 4, I think, but we'll look at those on the map. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and open this right here, okay? My table ain't big enough. We might go ahead and open the other one up right here. Guys, the Microtech MSI. That's a Microtech standard issue, they call it, with a sheepfoot / Warncliffe merge. Call it the sheepfoot slicer. We'll be opening up this package. It comes all the way from White Pine, Tennessee, and it is probably maybe 3.5 foot tall. Pretty cool. Thank you, Miss Kimberly. You've always sent some handmade stuff into the place here. I've got that one. I've got to put. I'm trying to find a spot for it now where you put all them words together. But thank you, Miss Kim. This is pretty cool. It says the frame is made from planks taken from an old house somewhere in Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Frame is made by Smoky Mountain Memories. And then you got, thank you for filling my home with friends I've never met and all the knowledge and laughter. Photos, letters shot and edited by Kim Derrick. But there it is right there, guys. Let's see. That's cool. But it says let's see, the brick wall right down here. I guess that's it. Ain't that it? But it's brickwork. I'm sorry, on building in Bristol, Virginia. Photo taken by State Street of Tennessee Theater, Bristol, Tennessee. E is a piece from old hay rake. Right here, old hay rake. It spells Bentley. Ain't that something? One of 3 crosses. In your home in Long Creek Community, Parisville, Tennessee. Oh, I see it now, guys. It spells Bentley. Look, Bentley. Is she not an artist or what? That is so cool. I'm sorry, Miss Kim. It took me for a minute. Y support post right here. Fellowship Pavilion, Bogart Chapel, United Methodist Church. The E right here is a metalwork and supports for outdoor picnic table, home of White Pine, Tennessee. Then there's a knife. This is a Boca Tree knife, the one you cleaned up, Kim's late husband's, EDC, White Pine, Tennessee. How about that? Yeah, I cleaned that knife up for her. She lost her husband. But there it is right there, guys. It spells Bentley right there. Ain't that cool? I wish you could get that glare out there. There we go. See there? It spells Bentley. That is so thoughtful, Miss Kim. Thank you so much for that. There's one more, guys. One more. Let's see, this one spells Knife Doctor. Ain't that cool? Knife Doctor. The K is a support post. There, support post. On baseball stand at Newport Grammar School, Newport, Tennessee. The N is the WW2 Memorial Riverwalk, Savannah, Georgia. The I, fence support post, field on Highway 321, Patchville, Tennessee. F is a street light, the island, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. How about that? E, the Boker knife, cleaned up by the knife doctor, EDC of Kim's late husband, White Pine, Tennessee. Ain't that cool? That's it right there. And then the D, stall latch handle, Rising Star Ranch, Shelbyville, Tennessee. The O, carriage wheel, Historic District, Charleston, South Carolina. The C, doctor owned by Ricky's late husband and grandmother. Hello, hello. Orange and green. Do you want zero sugar or you just want the regular? The regular's fine. Love you, bye. The C is owned by Ricky's late husband and grandmother, Bonnie, Dangerous, Tennessee. The T, fence sport post, Cage Cove Loop, Great Smoky Mountains, Townsend, Tennessee. I've been there. That's cool, ain't it? That's it right there. The O, the Buffing Wheel, Harbor Freight Tools, Morrison, Tennessee. How about that? And R, old bench at home at Kim's best friend, White Pine, Tennessee. How about that? This Kim, I cannot thank you enough for all this. And it was this frame is reclaimed barnwood. The barn was located in Sevierville, Tennessee, and again, it's made by Smoky Mountain Memories. Miss Kim, I can't thank you enough for these. Knife Doctor, and she's got Bentley there. I might put this in my home instead of the knife museum. That is so thoughtful of you, so creative. I love it, Miss Kim. Thank you so much. I see that little thumbs up. It couldn't have come at a bit better time. But I love that. Thank you, Miss Kim, so much. Thank you, Miss Kim, for everything. I appreciate you so much. Miss Kim sent those thoughtful pieces of art all the way from White Pine, Tennessee. 350 miles away from Ellerville, Georgia. Miss Kim, thank you so much for sending those in. I appreciate that. Appreciate you so much, Miss Kim. I really do. God bless you, ma'am. Guys, now we're fixing to open up the package all the way from Utah, the very first one. And it comes from Mr. Edwards from Sandy, Utah. How about that? So we're fixing to open it up. In here. Check that out. I've never had one in a box before. Wow. Check this out. Man. Ain't never been hurt, guys. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? It is a USMC K-bar. I don't know how to date this thing, but it's got the box. Ain't that awesome? It's USMC fighting knives, K-bar knives, only in New York. I'm fitting to find his email. There it is right there, guys. Beautiful, ain't it? And there's the sheath. It's like brand spanking new. Thank you, buddy. I'm fitting to find his email to make sure I get his name right. Don Edwards is his name. He sent me a message via Facebook Messenger. He said, "Do you have a Floyd Nichols fighting knife?" I said, "No, sir. I don't think I do." Then he says, "Love your show on YouTube. I found a Floyd Nichols knife at thrift store in Salt Lake City in 2017, $45. Then he said, "I would like to send you a 1962 K-bar in box." Wow. What is your address, please? Don Edwards. Then he said, "It's a Marine K-bar knife I want to send as a gift. I really enjoy your channel." How about that? Then I thanked him and I gave him my post the office box, and he said, "Package is on the way Friday. K-bar is probably a parts knife. I hope you love the knife box. Don't Don from Utah." But I guarantee you, this ain't no parts knife. This is an immaculate knife. I don't think it's ever been used. I really don't. But that is very, very cool, buddy. Thank you, Mr. Don, from, I think it's, where's the box? It's Sandy, Utah. So we're fitting to put him a pin up on the map, and I'll show you the other states. I have not received nothing yet. Looking forward to the day that takes place. I'll have all 50 states. But let's get up here, guys, and put some pins on the map. I want to thank Mrs. Kim from White Pine, Tennessee, and I want to thank Mr. Don Edwards from Utah. Thank you so much, from Sandy, Utah. Thank y'all so much for these awesome gifts, thoughtful gifts, Miss Kim. That is an unbelievable, uh, creative gift that you have given me, and you've always done that. You've always handmade stuff, and that means so much. It really does. Thank you so much. And Don, a USMC K-bar never gets old. I love those. But we're fitting to give them some pins, guys, and then we'll come back down here and we'll talk some. Don sent that K-bar knife all the way from Sandy, Utah, 2,020 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Don, buddy, thank you so much for being the first from Utah. Appreciate you so much, buddy, for sending that in. I appreciate that gift. Thank you for supporting the channel. God bless you, man. And guys, the states I don't have anything from so far is Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota. Then you got Vermont over here. Ain't that something? Got 4 states left. We'll get them. But Mr. Don, buddy, thank you so much for that. Hoorah. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Didn't get a video out yesterday, guys. I was just too sick. It hit me yesterday morning. I went to bed fine, woke up fine, but I just started feeling bad. That more couldn't even drink my coffee, and but I've tried to get that video out yesterday, but as the day went on, um, all I had to do was the outro and put everything together and get it out, but I was just feeling too bad. Come down with some type of virus. I don't know where I got it, how I got it, but I got it. And I think I'm on the upswing now. I still feel a little weak and tired. I am able to eat stuff now, but not a whole lot. Just because yesterday at all, I didn't eat anything, and it's hard to keep stuff down. So, but anyway, I know what Mr. Don was talking about this knife now. We're talking about a parts knife. I didn't see it yesterday. I saw it today. You see that, how bent it is? It's bent. See here, you can tell it better like that. It needs to be pushed that way. That's what he was referring to as a parts knife. But guys, I don't think it's ever been used. I really don't. I don't see how it got bent, but it did. It sure did. And we're gonna try to bend it back. That's too good of a knife to leave bent. And Mr. Don, thank you, buddy. I appreciate you. I appreciate you being the first one from Utah. Really am. And Miss Kim, thank you so much for them pictures you put together to spell Bentley and uh, knife doctor. Miss Val, she loved it. She really did. I think we're gonna put those in the house. And I want to thank you for that. You're always so creative. You really are, and it just the stuff that you do means so much. It really does. So, thank you, Miss Kim. Uh, anyway, guys, I hope to get the feeling better today. Didn't even get to do my walk yesterday. I was couldn't keep no liquids down or anything. So that's just the worst kind of sickness to me as far as your stomach. It's terrible. But anyway, I think I'm on the upswing now, and we're supposed to be doing a road trip here Wednesday, so it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. I'm hoping to get the feeling better before then. Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it at that. I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp. There's that sticker I was talking about that she sent on the package in memory, Mr. Glenn. Thank you so much, Mr. Kim, for sharing that. I appreciate you.